7th class first chapter, that is integers. Here integers means first of all we are already said what is natural numbers and whole numbers, then after comes integers. Here natural numbers means all counting numbers are called natural numbers. All counting numbers ni మనం natural numbers అంటాం. Natural numbers ని దేంతోని ఇండికేట్ చేస్తాం, దేంతో చూపెడతారు, n తోని చూపెడతారు. కాబట్టి n is equal set of 1 2 3 4 up to so on. దీని యొక్క ఈ సెట్ ఆఫ్ నంబర్స్ ని మనం natural numbers సెట్ అంటాం. సో నెక్స్ట్ whole numbers. Second one, whole numbers. Whole numbers is nothing but all natural numbers including 0. All natural numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by W letter. Okay. So next integers. Integers means what? Here all natural numbers and whole numbers. Here including another numbers. What is the numbers? Here here natural numbers to 0 adding, then whole numbers, it is called whole numbers. Here whole numbers to adding negative numbers. So all negative numbers, all positive numbers including 0 are called integers. Integers are denoted by Z. Z means Jalen number. That is here we call Jalen numbers. Jalen numbers are integers. It is denoted by Z. That is equal set of -3, -2, -1, 0, 1. In this all, here integers, the smallest integer is infinite, and also greatest or biggest integer is infinite. In this natural numbers set, smallest natural number is 1, but we do not calculate biggest number, that is infinite. In whole numbers, the smallest whole number is 0 and biggest whole number is infinite. So we are now discussing about integers, how to represent the integers on the number line. Let us see one example. Here in number line, we are drawing the number line. So in this number line means what? Numbers are representing on the line or denoting on the line, it is called number line. Some distances. Okay. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to so on. Here left side comes to same distance, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. So here in this on the number line, what is the biggest integer in the above number line? First question is the biggest whole number or integer in the number line. The biggest integer on the above number line. So answer is what? In this number line, up to how many numbers are there? 8 numbers. Left side -4 or -5. So in this biggest number is 8. So that is the biggest number on the above on this number line. Okay. Next here another some questions are there. We are discussing the numbers on the number line. Okay. First of all, here I am writing some questions and after answers explaining. Which is the smallest integer on the above number line? Which is the which is the smallest integer. Okay, what is the answer? Let us see. Now third question is 1 bigger than minus 3? Is 1 bigger than minus 3? Why? Next, fourth question is minus 6 bigger than minus 3? Is minus 6 bigger than minus 3? Is minus 6 bigger than minus 3? Why? Next, fifth question. Yeah, answer right. Okay, fifth question. Arrange 4, 6, minus 2, 0 and minus 5 in ascending order. Ascending order. Next, the last question, sixth question. So here one roughing and sixth question here writing. Okay. Here sixth question is that compare the difference between zero and 1 and 0 minus 1. And minus 1 on the number. So these are the questions we have to discuss in. So here second question, what? Which is the smallest integer? In this number line, some numbers are there already represented. So in this all numbers, which is the smallest? Which is the smallest? So here minus numbers are minus 5 up to minus 5 are there. So here in minus numbers are negative numbers, which is the biggest number, that is the smallest. One thing you have to remember, which is the biggest number in negative numbers, that is the smallest. So here negative numbers minus 5 is there. So minus 5 is the smallest integer. So which is the smallest integer? It is minus 5. So third question, is 1 bigger than minus 3? Why? 1 is bigger than minus 3. Why? 1 is yes. 1 is bigger than minus 3. Minus 3 means minus is a negative number. Negative numbers are smaller numbers than positive numbers. So here 1 is the positive number. That's why 1 is the bigger. Yes, 1 is bigger. 1 is bigger because it is positive number. It is positive number. Positive numbers are bigger than negative numbers. That's why here 1 is the bigger. Fourth one, is minus 6 bigger than minus 3? Why? Is minus 6 bigger than minus 3? Minus 6 is not bigger than minus 3. Why? Because already I said minus numbers, which is the biggest, that is the smallest. So that's why here minus 6 is not bigger than minus 3. No. Answer is no. minus 6 is not bigger than minus 3. Minus 6 is not bigger than minus 3. Why? Because minus numbers are biggest in that, which is the biggest, that is the smallest. So that's why minus 6 is smaller than the minus 3. So here fifth question, arrange 4, 6, minus 2, 0 and minus 5 in ascending order. Ascending order means what? Smallest number to biggest number. So we have to write these numbers small to big. So in this 4, 6, minus 2, 0 and minus 1, which is the smallest number? So first of all, minus values, minus 5 is the smallest. So first one, minus 5 comes. Next minus number, minus 2. Next minus after 0 comes. Then after 4 comes. Next 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 5, comma, minus 2, comma, 0, comma, 4, comma, 6. This is the ascending order. Small to big. Smallest to biggest number. Next, last question. Compare the difference between 0 and 1, 0 and minus 1 on the number line. Here, see, on the number line, 0 to 1 means, 0 to 1 means this 0 to right side comes, it will be positive, plus values. 0 and minus 1 means 0 to left side comes, it will be negative numbers comes. That is the main difference. 0 to right side, all positive numbers. 0 to left side comes, it will be minus, all negative numbers comes. This is the main difference. Okay, right.